Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new video. We have recently seen some weird and wonderful prototype devices from Oppo that play around with a smartphone screen. We are still waiting for a true foldable from the Oppo for a long time, and for now it seems that wait could be over soon. According to a tip from a Chinese source, the foldable handset is going to break cover next month, November 2021. It's been rather quiet on the foldable phone market recently, so a brand new device would certainly be welcome. This particular leak suggests the new device will be sporting an 8-inch 120Hz refresh rate screen, but we don't have many other details available yet. This particular leak doesn't give us much in the way of information besides the release window. The foldable could be powered by a Snapdragon 888 chipset like many top-end Android smartphones of 2021. There will be a 32-megapixel camera on the front and a 50-megapixel camera on the back with Android 11 on board. We don't know yet what sort of price this foldable phone will be available for, which is likely to go a long way to determining how much of a success it is. As soon as anything is made official by Oppo, we will of course let you know. Foldable phones have been with us for several years now, but it's fair to say they haven't really broken into the mainstream yet. That could well change in 2022 thanks to Oppo and other phone manufacturers thinking of pushing out foldable handsets in the future. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are now official. We still haven't heard anything from Google about the long-rumored Pixel Fold. Then of course there's the as yet unconfirmed foldable iPhone. Apple doesn't like to rush in when it comes to new technologies, so by the time the iPhone Fold shows up, if it ever does, we would expect foldable phones to be pretty well established. In the meantime, we have got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, the Motorola Razr and others. Well, that's about it for now. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.